Large house parties, unsanctioned events on our streets, on our beaches. Enough is enough.
Those words after weeks of officials first asking nicely.
We know what skills to use to do all of these things safely.
Then foreshadowing what was to come.
Starting with warnings, of course, and then getting into more severe penalties.
Now effective immediately, sweeping new penalties for scenes like this. $2,000 fines for anyone organizing an event or hosting a party that exceeds the 50-person limit. And $200 tickets for attendees who refuse to leave or follow directions from police.
I think it was inevitable that stricter measures would be implemented.
Stephen Taylor studies pandemics. He says the province had to shift strategies because the soft approach wasn't curbing the rise in cases among young people.
They need to see ticketing in action, that people who host large parties getting fines, that needs to happen and be seen.
And it's not just police. The province has also empowered liquor and cannabis inspectors, even conservation officers, to enforce the new penalties. The biggest challenge will be trying to monitor private parties in people's homes.
We are asking the public to call 311 if they see anything that concerns them.
On the streets, the new approach does not come as a surprise.
No one's listening to them, so I think something has to be done.
If we need to fine people, what else can we do for them to stop having parties?
Apparently we just can't do it without, Big Brother stepping in, so.
And in case the fines aren't enough, a new social media blitz and yet another attempt to target the problem demographics. So what if all of this is not enough?
We'll be back in lockdown if this doesn't work.
Those words above all, perhaps the most effective way to halt the bad behavior right in its tracks. Tanya Fletcher, CBC News, Vancouver.